Today we will learn H1 to H6 tags which help us to represent our web content very nicely. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Bishit Dotto welcoming you to Ekat tutorial. So let's start. First, we have to open a text document. For this reason, we have to type text to search bar. If you are using Windows, then you have to type Notepad. If you are in Mac or Linux, you will get text editor. So I am clicking text editor. If you using Windows, you will click text editor, Notepad. Okay. So Mac user and Linux user click text editor. Okay. So we already know a structure of a web page. Just zooming this content. Okay. So in previous lesson we already know how to create a website page. There we learn HTML structure of or web page structure. So we are not going to discuss this now. By using previous tutorial knowledge, we will create HTML structure first. So let's start. HTML, we have created HTML. Now we have to close HTML tag. Okay, we have closed. Now we have to create head. Head. I have to close it. Head. Okay. Now we have to create body. Body. I have to close body. Okay. In head is a brain of a web page, so we are giving face to head by title tag title title. We are closing title tag title title. Okay, we will discuss about today. We will learn H1 to H6. So we are giving name using of H1 to H6. Okay. Now in body we are giving name. Okay, body what I am giving. Okay, we are writing H1. Okay, I am just so H1 is a heading. H1 is a heading. So we are closing heading. Okay, we have closed heading. Now we are giving this stock market is up. Stock market is BWM booming. Okay, so we have created our H1 tag. Just we are for understanding this we are marking this tag detail by H1. Okay, so we have created our H1 tag. Copy. Now if we use H2 tag like this way, just we have to change this H1 to H2 and H2 is H2 is a subtopic. So here we will write acacia acre ऐसे ही और एक का शेयर, ठीक है, ओके। देन एक शेयर हैव सब टॉपिक, the more we will increase each tag power, it will be specific, okay. So stock market, there has lots of stock, so when we are saying H2, then it will go a specific detail. When we give H3, this will go a specific detail of H2, okay. So here we can give H3 and we are giving H3 mark. Ekas share, which share? Ekas have lots of share, where Ekar blue share, we can write here Ekal blue share, blue share. Now we can more specify the H3, by writing H4. So by writing H4, okay, H4 closing, okay. So we are writing Ekar, what we can write? We can write Ekar blue share bronze version, okay. Share bronze, BRONZT, bronze version. Like this way we can create H6. So we have to mark this to understand its output. So we are giving H4. Now we will create H5. H5 again, H5 we close. I have to give advanced slash, okay, we have closed H5, and here blue share version specific if there has, okay. So we are discussing about BRONZT bronze plus bronze plus. So we are going to a specific, okay, we are going to a specific detail. Now we are using H6, okay. So okay, closing H6, okay. Now we will close this share plus share plus slim slim. So this is the specific. There are no subtopic of slim. If subtopic has, then we can increase H7, H8. So the main H1 is. So we are going to So this is the second tutorial. Save as website. This is second tutorial. I am writing here ACCO and the second tutorial.html. Okay. So what we have done? We have came this here, then save as. We have gave name, then .html and save this. Okay. Now this is our second tutorial. Where we used H1 to H6, which help us to represent web content very perfectly in a web page. Okay. So if we open this web page by going to document, we have to write second tutorial.html. Right click, open it, select and select Google or Firefox, which you prefer. I prefer Google Chrome, so I have selected Google Chrome and opening it through. Okay, now you can see type. You can see the output of h1 to h6. If I using h1 tag, which is main heading of a article of a web page, this coming is like this. So output is coming like this. Stock market is booming. It means it's big. You can tell it's big brother. Okay, or you can say it's a parent. It's a parent title. Second, parent title has a child. Parent title has a child. Okay, so second title has a parent has a child. So you can share. So in stock market there are lots of share, and now we are going to a specific share. We are going to Aker company share. Okay, Aker company share. When we are going to Aker company share, we are specifying this. We are specifying this through h2 tag, and when we are entering Aker share company, then we are entering a specific share. Aker company share are lots of share. Then we are going to blue share by h3 tag. H3 tag we are going to h3. This time, this Aker company blue share has a more classes. So we are going to a specific class by Aker share bronze version. Here we use h4 tag. Here we use h4 tag. So h4 tag bronze version has a more class. So we are going to bronze plus by h5 tag. Okay, now bronze plus has lots of version. We are going to last version which has no version of bronze share but another version. So we are going to plus element, and there is no sub heading. So for when we are making a website, if we use h1 tag on time, then we are not allowed to h1 tag later on this web page. We can use h1 tag to another web page, but every page will only keep only on h1 tag. So if you make a website, there will be only on h1 tag, not h1 2 tag. Okay, if you h1 tag 2 time in a web page, this time Google, Bing, Yard, Index will not rank you goodly, will not see you goodly. They will think it's a spammy site, so it's bad site. They don't know how to make a website, but we know how to make a website, and for this reason we will use h1 tag one time in a web page. And but we can use h2 tag, h23 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag, h3 lots of time in a web page. But in a web page we are only allowed to use h1 tag on time, not many times. So I am again saying we are only allowed to use h1 tag on time, not many time. But we are not only allowed to use h2, h3, h4, h6 on time. We can use lots of time h2, h3, h4, h5, h6 tag in a web page. But don't use h1 tag more than on time in a web page. So if we make a website, this time we will use h1 tag on time. Later we can use h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag, h6 tag many time. Okay, so like this way, if I create h2 tag, I can use more h2 tag here. H2 tag, I can use more h2 tag here. Okay, I can use more share here, and I can use like this way here. Yeah. So there is no rule. So there has no rule. So I am refreshing. Okay, see Aker share h2, Aker share blue share version h4. So okay. So I also, if I use here that Aker tutorial share, Aker tutorial blue share, tutorial blue share. Okay, now if we refresh, then we will see different. So first we with the first subtopic, first we just enter stock market. From there we are discussing about is Eka share in H2 by H2, and by again by H2 we are discussing about Eka share tutorial share. This is two company share. This is first company share, this is second company share. Okay, but if we don't write, if we write the not Eka, we are writing here Tesla, we are writing here TES, Tesla share, and Tesla car share, like we can write here TES, Tesla car share, latest version, latest version. Okay, so if we refresh, okay, what we are seeing, Tesla share 2, Tesla car share latest version 4. See, okay, by this way we can make any web page. By this way we can make any web page, and we are only allow H1 tag on time in a web page. We are allow many time to use H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, H6 tag many time in a web page. So we have understand how to use H1 to H6 tags. So hope you understand. If you have any question, please ask us through comment. If you like this video, please click like button. If you dislike, please click dislike button. If you don't wanna miss, and if you always wanna stay with us, if you wanna build a great future with us, please subscribe us right now. Subscribe is free, there is no charge. So please hit the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to notify our new video when we will release new new tutorial. We are not only here make web tutorial, we will here publish tutorial about robotics, AI, cyber security, all will be programming. This channel is only for programming, and our passion is creating. We are only here for creation. We will do lots of things. You can say it's a lifetime journey until we go to older age. We are using this platform as a creation platform. And if you have any problem, or if you need to code, you can use this. We are giving a detailed link. To our video like this. Like this, you can see detail here. We are giving source code. You can go this source code, and you can, if you go this source code, you will be able to get code. Okay, so if you click this source code, you will get source code like this way. Okay, you will get source code like this way. Here we are giving source code. If you forget anything, anytime you get source code through this source code link. Okay, anytime you can go source code link by this way. Okay, so hope you will understand how we are using this, how we are creating this. Okay, and we have also playlist. We have also playlist. If you want to see our full tutorial of web development, you can come here. If you play this on time, it will continue to play this video, and you will learn all this tutorial. So we have decided to finish this tutorial within 10 days. So From here you will finish this HTML within 10 days. After this we will go to CSS. We also target to finish this CSS within 10 days. After finishing CSS we will then go to this JavaScript. Like this way we will do all of this. So you hope you understand. And right now tata, see you next video. Until that, enjoy your time and be healthy, be active and keep building your future. Bye bye.